Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I did a Sugar Skull makeup, and this was part of a collab that I was in with a bunch of other girls. And to start this makeup off, we took the No Pore Blend Primer, then we took the number 7 Beautifully Matte Foundation. So with this makeup I used almost 3 different foundations. WetNWild Photo Focus foundation was one of them, and then the number 7, and then I used one other one too, but I can't remember which one I used. But we did that one for a nice pale complexion, and then we took the Maybelline Fit Me Loose finishing powder, and we are going to set that with that powder. Next, we took the Profusion Confidence palette, and we are going in with this yellow. I think that one's Serendipity, if I remember right. And we are going to be spreading that all over our face. It is so weird how this yellow comes out almost orange on my skin. But you know what? I love it. Next, I'm going in with the TarteCosmetics double-sided liner, and I'm going to be carving out the eye sockets. You're gonna have to forgive me. I am still sick, and I don't know how to shake this cold. Next, we went in with this orange. I can't remember what that one's called. I covered up the title. That's nice, but that's all right. Trial and error. I think what I'm going to start doing, instead of doing little emojis, I'm going to actually show my brush into it, if that makes sense. And then we went in with this pretty, I almost want to say an auburn brown color. And we're just putting that on the outskirts of it. Then we took the Alien palette by Jeffree Star, and we're going in with Black Hole, and we're going to be setting the border of the eye socket with this black. This black is ridiculous, and I absolutely love it, you guys. It is so pigmented. Oh my god. And it actually blends so freaking well. Oh my god, I don't want to be sick anymore. Why do I have to be sick? This sucks. Then we took the TarteCosmetics double-sided liner again, and we are going to be carving out our little floral lines on the outside of the eye socket. This makeup was so fun, you guys. I absolutely love doing Sugar Skulls. This is actually my second time ever doing one. Next, we took the same eyeliner, and then we were going to be carving out the nose. Then we took that same yellow and kind of orangey color, and we are carving out our cheekbones somewhat. We're using this for kind of like a contour color. And then we took the same eyeliner, and then we're just carving out the design in our face, in the mask, if you would say. Then I went in with the liquid lipstick, well, cream lipstick by NYX. This one's the black, and we're going to be carving out the outside of our lips with this. And then after that, we are going to be using the same colors from the Profusion palette, and we are going to be blending that in on my lips. Yes, I actually used eyeshadow on my lips. I don't own an orange lipstick, but you know what? We made it work, and we slayed. Here we took this same eyeliner and now we're just carving out the little mouth. I was gonna do actual teeth, but I was like, you know what? That lipstick is just too awesome. I don't want to take away that effect. And some more designing on the face. Kind of matching the effect on the forehead. Now here I took the WetNWild Maybelline instead of using the pen because it just seemed like it would put more product. And then I took that same eyeliner and now I'm just creating a little wing, not too dramatic, just enough to kind of make it pop. Then I took the Gala eyelashes by Kiss Products. These eyelashes are so dramatic, but they are also subtle at the same time. That right there. Did you guys see that? I think I'm going to actually start doing that with eyeshadows instead of just doing a little emoji. Oh, by the way, you guys, I do have a new Instagram. My other one kind of crapped out on me, so I did make another one. And this is the final product for this makeup. Oh my god, oh, I want to cry. It is so beautiful. If you guys like this video, go ahead and leave me a like down below, subscribe. I am really excited for you guys to see what I have coming up next. It's amazing. Oh my god. Okay. I will see you guys in my next video.